We're gonna start at the top left with Android 13.
Wait, 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 wait. So
Where
are we gonna
is 13 going?
are we gonna include his Super Android 13 into the equation, or just him in that form?
Is Super 13 I don't see it.
No.
Okay, so just include. Yeah, well, I guess we'll just unless their form is in this list, like because Frieza's other forms aren't here, so we're just gonna include all of his forms in that character. We'll do the same thing for this bastard. This country has fucking something. Bastard.
I think he's D tier. He's trash.
D?
Yes.
D? I guess like okay. I guess yeah. I don't like him, but I thought you would have put him like C because he's at least kind of funny.
He is funny, but he's trash.
Well, what about Android 17?
I barely look at it as a villain. I think he's C tier villain. I think
I put him C tier. Yeah, I put him C.
Yeah.
He's not bad. 18
can go.
I'll put 18 just like right next to 17. That's what I put.
Yeah. That sex bot is D tier trash can.
Sex bot? Well, that's flawed, bruh. Nah, the real sex bot's right here, bro.
Of course.
Android 19. Where's he going?
Nah, I thought you were talking about 21. But
Oh, I thought you. Nah, let's talk about 19, bro. The real sex bot. He's.
No, 21 is real. Come on now, but you can't even lie to me.
Put in 19 there. Trash.
21, bro.
Actually, no, he's there. Yeah, he's there. He's trash. Where's
21?
Where's she going?
I mean, realistically, she is a trash villain too.
D?
Oh, she's a trash villain, not because of as a character, but just like how they incorporated her into the story with like, yeah, nerf everybody, and I have two different sides of me because why not? And nothing matters anyway.
But she's
trash.
D, bruh. No way, she's D. Maybe like top of D.
Not D.
She's like C, bottom C.
Yeah, she's at the bottom of C.
Yeah, that's about to say.
She's definitely better than them.
She's cool. I mean, she's not that bad.
Bobbity bibbity boo. I don't know.
Bobbity. Yeah, where's Bobbity going, bruh?
If that nigga's even on the list, they're both trash.
Is he below 19?
Nah, he's got it.
Damn, you really.
And yeah, put him. I don't know if I'm 13. I did not like that ugly ass.
But he's important to the story, though, bruh.
I guess you could put him above 13, bruh. That nigga is still ass. Baby is actually probably a B tier.
Yeah, B.
Yeah, I'm not putting him A tier.
Bro, he's an easy A tier, maybe even S.
No. Okay, I'll settle on A, but nah, because they made
How is he B? B for baby? He's an A tier, bro.
They made him too much of a villain when his whole goal isn't to be a villain; it's to just live the game. After a while, they just started making him look like the bad guy. It just was just like, nah. It just.
Oh, hater, bro. Boy, really put him
in had a
B.
clean backstory. Just for Goku to be like, oh, sorry, I already actually have another transformation. You're outdated,
bro. But he was not a bad. I'll leave him here, but I'm telling you, like, when some of these other people get ranked, we're definitely gonna have to move him compared to all these bastards.
Okay, so put him on A.
Cause like, ain't no way baby's on the same tier. Like, nah, bro. Like, BoJack, come on, bro. Put this in like, I'd say like a little, not even. I wouldn't even say he's better than 13.
Good.
He's definitely better than 19 for sure, though.
Yeah. 19 might be the bottom of this list.
Yeah, maybe. Actually, yeah, maybe. Definitely, there might be someone. DBS Broly. I put him like B.
Yeah, I think so.
B tier's a solid spot for him.
Good easy kid.
Man, I guess skinny Broly from. This is like Broly's second coming.
Oh, trash. You could put him like. I don't think he's better than 17, but it feels wrong putting him below 17.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I do definitely like Broly way more than it.
Yeah, but I don't think he's better than 17.
Cause I don't even like him in this movie like that.
Yeah, like he was
Kakarot the whole time, bro. Like, come on.
Yeah, he's not better than 17. That's tough.
But this movie, bro, he's got to be like B, bruh.
Yeah, objectively he's a B, but I would
The only
put
thing
him
he
at
sucks is like his
everybody.
backstory. It's really bad.
Yeah,
Captain
Ginyu
Ginyu.
is B tier.
D?
B tier, B tier.
Oh, I was about to say, I was like, bro. Cell Junior's like a easy like top of D maybe like. Come on.
He's not better than 13, bro.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I wouldn't even put him above BoJack, bro.
Yeah, no. Yeah, put him next to 19, bro.
Cell. Oh, come on, A, bro. A.
Yeah, we gotta put him.
A. I put him above Baby.
No, he's not above Baby. You're biased.
Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
No, boy.
He's
not better
way
than
better
Baby.
than Baby in every way. Come on. Baby. And then Cell over here, the perfect being. Oh my god, he's so clean too, bruh. He regenerates. He started the regeneration thing, bruh. I guess he's. I mean, like, I guess, like, he. Yeah, I guess, maybe.
If we're taking bias away, he's not better than Baby, right?
If I'm thinking. Even without bias, he's clean.
Not better than Baby.
He's clean too. The only things that the only reason I'd put him lower is because of his other two forms. I don't like those trash.
First one.
No, especially second form. I don't like Cooler.
I kind of want to put him S tier, but I think he's just. I think he's worse himself. I think he. I don't know if he deserves to be on A tier.
No, ain't no way, but homie's A tier. I put him like
Above
above
C,
C,
yeah.
but below DBS, Broly.
Yeah, okay, I'll agree with that.
Cause he's better than DBZ, Broly, but bro, what the fuck is he even doing in this?
You can put that nigga somewhere in D tier, bro. I don't know where.
I'll
but,
put him here.
Yeah, that nigga is just.
I think he's
trash
better.
universal.
Just boy, what the fuck you doing in this list, bro? That boy snuck into the list. Deborah.
You can put him in C tier somewhere, bro. I feel like he's better than that trash skinny Broly though.
Is he? I guess, yeah. Cause he definitely
Like-
has.
21 worse than skinny Broly though.
I'd say
I don't
he's
know.
better than Skinny Broly.
Nah, but 21 though.
21's not that good, bro.
Yeah, but skinny Broly was just trash though, bro. Like,
What?
I feel like 21 would work if just they didn't have garbage plot.
Yeah, but Broly actually, was clean and not just like ate cookie things until like the very end where she got waxed.
I guess I don't think they're both
She
trash.
is lame. Like, maybe if they give her an actual story, but she has a video game story, and that video game story is trash too, bro.
Trash.
I guess
I
Broly
don't know.
is trash, but Deborah is definitely above Skinny Broly.
Yeah.
Dodoria.
I don't know, bro. That nigga is lame, bro.
I'd put him like above.
That woman is lame.
Yeah, she's lame, but like my bias wants to put her S, but realistically, I thought like here.
Yeah.
That
And
she
Jero-
killed kids, dude.
Jero has a lot to do.
Bro, I smell the bias already. I mean, I would put him like next to
I think he's-
Bobbity.
He should be. Yeah. They both have that.
He is.
Possibly.
He's
But-
worse than Bobbity, but he's better than 13. Ice channel.
Trash.
Ah, God.
We can put him in C tier, but he is.
I'll put him right
Put him-
below 21.
Yeah.
He's clean. Frieza, that's S.
Yeah. If we're going by.
That's easy S tier right there for Frieza, Bob.
I know, fanboy.
I'm
You can put him
already
that.
waiting for that argument to happen. I already know what's about to happen. That's gonna eat up all the time. Garlic Junior. Garlic
You can
Junior.
put that nigga the Cell Junior.
Dang! bro.
No, but he's gotta be better than Demigod, bro.
That's
Like,
what I'm
what is that
saying.
nigga doing on a list, bro?
I don't know. He really stuck into the list, bro. He really stuck. At 19. That's crazy. This trash can over here beat Goku. I guess he had hard eyes, but he's still trash. We'll put him above him. Pretty sure this is General Blue, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, because that animation was cold. I think it was okay.
I put him like at the top of it. No, not even. I put him like.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Look at that. The D tier is already filling up. That's crazy.
Facts. That D tier is gonna be.
That D tier is fat, bro. It was about to be fatter because this thing is cooking. This is trash, bro. He is trash. I put him like above Garlic Jr.
Yeah.
I have that guy.
Damn, but you do him dirty to the Doria, bro.
I like Dodoria more than Hachiak, that's for sure, bro.
Another trash can.
Facts. This dude just screams easily like.
He's gotta be better than Hachiak, right?
Yeah, because Hachiak is good. Look at that, already doubled. Already. Hit. Hit's not a bad guy. He's more like a conflict, almost like him himself. You know what I mean? Like he's not like.
Yeah, I wouldn't even say he's an anti-hero. He's just more of just like. Yeah, when I'm here, I'm
just there. But as a character, like, I'll put him like a A or like top B. I already know you're gonna. Oh, he tried, bro. He tried, bro.
Mid.
Where would you put him, bro?
Yeah, I guess I'd say he's like right.
I put him like right here. I put him right here with like.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like they haven't really done much that character.
Yeah, they don't really do much, but he's got a cool ability. He's got a cool voice. He punches a lot, I guess. He's cool.
We can put that trash can in D too, because he's not good.
D for Janemba? What?
Yeah, you can put him top of D tier. But he's still
Bro, ain't no way you're really ranking Skinny, Broly, and Deborah over Janemba, bro. Ain't no way. He's at least like better than Deborah.
Okay. We can do that.
He's not better than like these two, but like he's definitely out here, bro. Without
Deborah
bias,
had a personality.
I would put him B, but without bias, like he's like C. That's without bias.
I think Deborah is better than that nigga, bro.
It's like, cause what's wrong with him? Why you hate him, bro?
He doesn't speak, bro.
God, what? Get it, bro. Like, sure he doesn't speak, but he's still dope, bro. He's easily got like one of the cleanest designs too. He uses, or he has clean ability teleports. He has really dope animations too. He's clean, bro.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, Jiren. Yeah, you're gonna come on, bro. I mean, I'd put him.
No.
Wow, you wouldn't even put him C? Where you put him? Like
Top of D.
Top of D? Ain't no way Ice Shenron is better than Jiren, bro.
Cause that nigga should be in D tier too, bro. Bro, this whole list is up to me. I think all of the niggas.
Okay, we'll move him down to D. He's still better than Babidi, but I'm putting Jiren like C.
Okay. I think that's fair. Yeah,
I still don't know what this is doing here. What is he doing here, bro? Kid Buu. I think he's cooler than the androids, but not better than Ginyu. Like top of C, maybe.
Yeah, I guess.
Black.
Nah, but then again, you gotta think about Fat Buu.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I was like, yeah.
I don't know about that nigga.
He's like a worse version of Janemba to me. I mean, he did some messed up stuff, but like, I put him like.
Yeah, worse version of Janemba. King Cole D tier, put him like next to like. I don't even know, bro.
General Blue. Nah, he's not better than. I'd say he's a little cooler.
He's not better. He's not better than. Nah. The only thing cool about him is that
If realistically he didn't even have any cool fights, he just came out to die. I put him like here.
I guess it's fair.
These two actually got like cool. Homie just came out and died and said, "I want to see your sword," and tried it and died, bro. Like, stupid.
Dumb.
Demon King Bigelow's like top of A.
Yeah.
Easy top of A. Easy. Lord Slug,
Yeah.
he's just a truly a worse version of King Bigelow.
Yeah, dude, yeah. He's worse. Damn, you think Skinny Broly better than him?
Nah, not Skinny Broly. I think he's like here, just the genuine mid.
Yeah.
Fat Boo, I put Fat Boo like. I like Fat
He's
Boo
gotta
more
be-
than Z Broly though.
What?
Yeah, hell yeah.
He is better than him.
I don't know about Cooler though.
Don't be cool.
I think he's better than Cooler, but I like Cooler a little better.
Don't play with the nigga Cooler, bruh. Talk about villains here, bruh. Don't play with that nigga.
Hey, bro,
Fat
why
Boo
don't
ain't
you
no
use that
villain, bruh.
picture, bro? Buhan's like top of C. I like him better than the androids, but I know you have a hate boner for him, so you're probably like,
Yeah, I was
D,
about to say
D, put him in D,
D.
bro. Like, he's not even that bad. He's not that bad, bro.
Yes.
He's not even that bad, cause we're counting this. This is like counted with like, cause like Buhan is like he's not. Yeah, I get it. Okay. We'll put. I'd rather put. He's better than Kid Boo and Janemba.
Yeah, he's
bro.
better than Kid Buu. He's better than Kid Buu.
I think I like Janemba better though. I kind of like Janemba a little better. Nah, he talks though, so
Yeah,
get extra point for talking, bro. Mosh, that's such a son Stewie. Yeah, you get extra point for talking, bro. Yeah, there you go. Majin Vegeta. I actually don't know how to rank him, cause
He's very short-lived.
yeah, like he's like I don't know, cause his fight scene was like so clean. It was such a clean fight scene.
I mean, I guess when you think about what is the lore behind Majin Vegeta, like why he did it, I guess that's kind of clean.
Yeah, that's cool. But he was
he's gotta
barely
be-
even a villain. Like,
Yeah. He just killed them random people for no reason. There's like, I always wanted to fight you, Kakarot.
yeah, he just.
And like, no, for my family, I'll protect them.
I don't know.
And
I'm
he
thinking
died.
like here, yeah, like either top or he like here.
Yeah, I don't think he's better than Ginyu. Yeah, I think you could put him above Buhan.
Like right here.
He's cooler than the androids, but he's not better than them. 'cause
Yeah,
he did,
yeah, he's
like, nothing.
way cooler, but he's not better. Like, like, bro, this dude is super cool, but like, he's not better than like these guys. Like, Fusamasu. Remember, these ones are in this one as well. Fanboy, they're here too.
Okay, just put him
B,
B tier somewhere.
top
yeah.
of B.
Yeah, top of B. That nigga's trash.
Corrupt.
Yeah, he's trash. I feel
Wow.
like that's doing him dirty to put him under all of them niggas. But he is trash.
There's no way you put the androids. Like, I put him like behind Ginyu at least.
Yeah.
Mira, trash. But how did you
Speaking
sneak
of
in the list, homie?
these Xenoverse
Oh, man,
niggas.
these Xenoverse villains come to the list. Bro, the
Yeah,
Xeno
that
villains
makes-
hopping in, bro.
Yeah, you put that nigga next to. Yeah, right there.
Source of Midoriya, but better than the non-talking kaiju over here. This guy. Oh, come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like,
You didn't make this list, right?
no, I did not make this list, bro. This rabbit dude who got
Yeah.
sent to the moon would not even be here, bro. Like, nah, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Finally, somebody broke that 19th streak.
Yeah, we're just gonna make
Yeah,
a.
I'm about to say, we're gonna make a new row.
Yeah,
Just
we're gonna make
watch. Like, horrendous, but just to watch. Just like trash.
First, let me change the color of this one. I don't know why it's this color, but yeah, we're definitely making a new role for homie. We're gonna call it
19th streak.
trash. Somehow he broke this dude's streak, bro.
I was really thinking he was gonna make it. like being the worst.
Bro really broke the streak and like you did the impossible, bro.
Yeah. You made it to the video W for him.
Yeah.
W for him.
Oh,
I have a hate one for Moral. I was disappointed in that.
bro, I
think
would
he's
put Moral like
tier.
better than the D tier. What the fuck?
No,
Bro?
C tier.
Oh, I was like about to say like I definitely put him like above Buhan, bro. Come on, man.
Yeah, he's above Wuhan.
I would come on. Maybe I put him like.
Yeah, you can put him in
behind
there.
that. I think he's better than the androids though.
Such a clean build up just for like dominance.
I hate a boner, bro. Boy, hating on the Moral and Nappa. I put him like.
I mean, cause like, can you really say Jiren is better than him though? Like,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I like Nappa definitely made a way more of an impact than Jiren over here. His stupid strength bullshit. I put him
yeah,
like
I put him right
here.
next to Bug.
Yeah, I put him here. Yeah, I put him above Slug. Yeah.
Yeah, you can put him right there.
Nova.
I think
Yeah,
he's clean.
you think Nova's cool, but like, come on, bro. I think he's like cooler than Skinny Broly, but like, maybe Deborah.
Yeah. Damn, bro, you gonna do him dirty? He looks like Laura Slug, though, right?
What did he cut?
Kid Boo, bro.
He's
Oh,
not,
that's
bro.
crazy.
He is not better than Kid when he's not better than Nappa. Because at the end of the day, like, first of all, he didn't even do anything that impactful. His design is just copy and paste of this nigga, and he's just like that cliche, like, that dude from JoJo from Part 2, bro, who's honorable. He's like that dude, bro.
Oh, yeah.
That copy and paste thing. And Omega, nah, bro, you're like with Jiren or something, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? Come on, no way, bro. You're better than Ice, but worse than Jiren. Nah, I'll put you above Jiren. Just because you look way cooler than him. I don't even remember his name. I forgot his name.
Was it Q or was it Pew? I don't know.
Pew Pew. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Wait. Well, you're not playing here for, bro. Come on, man. D.
I think 19 was
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I put 19, but Raditz. I have a bias for Raditz. I think Raditz is dope, but realistically, I put him like.
You can put him next to Nappa.
Yeah. I think that was a little better. Boy, that's like. He could be so
one
much
episode,
more.
right? Maybe like 1 or 2 episodes, bro.
Yeah, like.
Niggas on.
Boy, he really could have been so much more too. I don't even remember this dude.
This is either General Rildo or this is one of the Power brothers. I don't know. They're all trash.
Oh yeah, the Hyper Rildo dude, like the Jew with the drill.
Yeah, I think that was him.
Okay, well either way, he's trash. He's trash. He's trash.
Yeah.
Rose. I have a bias
S
for
tier.
Rose. S.
He's S tier.
S? Are you?
Don't do him. Don't.
We'll save him later. We'll save him later. We'll save him for later. Cybermen. Nah. Come on, bro. Cybermen are not freaking better than 19, bro.
Yes, they are, bro. Yes, they are, bro.
No, they are not. No, they're not. They lasted like 10 minutes tops. You just have a bias because you play them sometimes, and because they're memes. Without the memes, they're like trash. They're trash. That's like ranking a Frieza soldier, like a nobody Frieza soldier, like not even like the Dory or nothing. Like that's trash, bro. And Salsa's like here. No, he's not better than King Cold, but he's like here.
Well, you wouldn't say he's better than King Cold.
Well, actually, yeah.
I'd say put him like right under the Doria.
Dang! Better than her. Ain't no way this random like the best jobber in the Cooler movie is better than like Harudagon and like and Hachiak, bro. Like ain't no way, bro. Maybe Hachiak. I put him like below her.
Yeah, Hachiak was just
Hachiak was lame. It was cool. At first it was cool because you got a free movie, but like stupid.
wasted time.
Spopovich. Bro, come on. I put him like here, maybe like the lowest.
Nah, don't do him dirty.
Wow, you think he's Spofovich, bro? I guess he can. He
No. Maybe like, let's kind of make.
He'd be like here, maybe like worse than Cell Jr.
Yeah.
And
Then,
I don't even remember who this
Who-
is.
What it is? Dragon Ball AF villain.
I don't know. We can make a new tier for whatever that
What
is. I don't know who that is, bro. That is
I
like
don't know.
some like random thing. I don't know what he is, bro.
I dropped the manga after him, so you can put that next to what wow. What it is in this one. Crazy.
I don't know who that is. Neither of us know, so he's going there. Super 17. Trash. I don't like Super 17 like that. He's definitely the
Yeah,
weakest out of all of the GT villains. Not even. No.
Yeah.
Super Boo, I think everybody sleeps on Super Boo. I know you think he's trash, but he's like Kid Boo, but he talks.
You could put him under the number. I thought I didn't. No, because he talks. Though.
Yeah, he talks, bro. Put him I think he's better than Buhan, bro.
Yeah, he's really good.
Yeah, he's not that bad. He's definitely the second best of Blues, because Fat Blues is still better. Toa, I don't even know where to put her. This is just a genuine, I don't know where to put her, bro. Like, she's.
I guess you could put her with Demigod, because there's no way she's better than. No, then again, under King Cold though.
Yeah. I mean, I guess you could, but all these like people here could be changed out, bro. Like you could switch this whole like little row around, bro.
Yeah, this is that's a Demigod, I guess.
Turles is like, I'd put him with Slug right here.
Yeah.
A little better.
His universe partner.
That's a clean duo though. Tough they die. Scouter Vegeta, that's like A tier.
Yeah, A tier.
I think he's like worse than
Okay, I think his name is Yakon.
Yeah.
He absorbs life somehow, and then Goku just like overfed him, loaded.
Stupid, bro. What the? How the fuck? He
Yeah,
make
you
it in the
couldn't
tier
make
list, bro. Bro, where are you even putting him, bro? Like here?
I think he's better than like. No, he's not. But I don't like. He breaks the streak. He does make
No, he's worse than that. Forgot he was in the tier list. I forgot he was. I was waiting for people like Demigra and fucking Bobbity and people like that, and this fucking nigga over here, this rabbit nigga, but forgot about.
I would say he's better.
He's trash, bro. He's trash.
Zarbon
Zarbon is like next to the Doria. I put him right there.
But that second form.
Oh yeah, the second form, yeah. He's cool. I keep putting him like here. Yeah, he's not that bad.
Yeah, not counting that.
Zamasu. All right.
Well, here goes.
Well, who do you like better, Rose or Zamasu? Let's just get that out the way. I already know you like Zamasu better, right? So we'll rank Rose first. And where does Rose Goku Black go? S. Jesus Christ.
S tier.
Jesus, S. Maybe like top of A. I like Rose. He's my favorite, but
Bro, he probably has one of the best writing characters.
oh, okay. You know what? He's not better than Frieza. I'll give him that. He can stand it.
No, he's not better.
Zamasu, I'd say he's better than Rose, but not better than Frieza.
Yes, no.
No, yes he.
Nah.
No, Frieza's leagues above that trash. Light skin.
Bias.
Tory Lane's light skinned little baby. Ain't no way.
No,
Ain't no way.
The monster is better than. Zamasu is the best villain in all of
Ain't
Dragon
no
Ball.
way he's better than
Best premise,
Frieza.
best plot.
When you think of Dragon Ball villains, who do you think of?
It doesn't matter who.
Okay. That's what I'm
That's like
saying.
you think of rap, who you think of? And I'm like, oh yeah, Tupac. Like, yes,
Yeah.
like that doesn't mean
Okay,
he's the
okay,
best.
then
Like,
then what? Who out of this whole list is titled like one of the best villains in anime in general? All right, that's only him. He gets that.
okay, that's just because of how sheer popular he is. But he's not better.
He's
as a
popular
character,
for a
he's not
reason.
better.
He's popular for a reason, and he's not as popular as like Broly. People love him more than Frieza.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, bruh, come on, man. He's not like Drake popular, like, but he's definitely like easily the best. He's better than Zamasu, bro.
Left on hard, Zamasu. is
Zamasu,
better.
he's an S.
He's a
an
better
S.
character.
He's an
Zamasu
S.
is easily a
I
better
wouldn't
character.
even. I put him in S just because of you. If I were to put him somewhere, these two tiers would be changed a little bit. Okay, Cell, I would put Cell like S, and so would Baby. Maybe Vegeta. And Zamasu is right behind Baby. That's where I
I know
would
what
put
you're
him.
gonna actually. So you actually think Frieza's a better character?
Yes, 100%.
No, nah. This is just fanboy. This is just fanboy.
100%. You're the fanboy, bro. You're the true fanboy. Let's be honest. You fanboy a lot more for freaking Zamasu than I do Frieza, and I fanboy a lot more for Cell than any of them. And I put him in.
When you hear Zamasu, when you just think of just his vision, there's just no Dragon Ball villain that had that vision. Everyone else was just a villain.
Okay, okay, yeah, sure, but like, out of every villain here, I mean, the build-up, the clean fight scenes, the not lame arc with that stupid ending, the clean struggle, the suspense of transforming into another form, knowing that, yeah, we just beat Ginyu, and we struggled, and this dude says, yeah, I have a second form, by the way. Then Piccolo is like, yeah, I have a third form, by the way. That feeling of no hope, sure, Zamasu did it, but it doesn't have it because that universe is nothing. Like, no one cares about that stupid-ass universe. Sure, he has no hope for that universe. And that stupid ending on top of it makes his little, like, his whole impact ridiculous, because it doesn't even matter. He destroyed a universe that is gone now. You know, crazy. You know? This dude is still ruling over, like, a lot of the universe. That's crazy. He's still ruling over it. He still is the emperor, bruh. Also, he's smart, too. He was really smart in the Tournament of Power as well. Come on.
Yeah, what about DBZ, bro? What about DBZ, dumb ass nigga, bro?
DBZ wasn't even that... He had to be dumb because, like... First of all, he's not even that stupid. He's not, like, as stupid as, like, people like Vegeta or, like, Cell or, like, something like that. Even as stupid as him. You know, he's freaking stupid as hell, but, like...
I agree with none of this list. Trash, my list better.
No, it's not. No, it's not. This is... I would change my list. This is my list, right?
Everybody else.
My list... I would really only change these. Change this a little bit. I love Fusamasu. I think Rose is not as good as he says. I like Cell. Oh, okay. Realistically, like... Okay, I'd put him like there. He's definitely better than Cell and Baby. Yeah. But Vegeta...
They should have had Android 5. Wait, we're 16 on this list. They put Yakon over 16.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Even that drunk android and like that other white one that didn't talk, like even those would be
Yeah,
better
the purple one and the white dude who was just like who got cut by Trunks, bruh. This nigga made it in over there. Fuck, bruh.
No.
Look at this list though. It's not even a bad list. Fusamasu definitely deserved to be higher. Definitely slept on him. Rose, definitely a little lower, bruh. I'm not even gonna cap you. No, keep it. We'll do that.
As a villain, you put Broly above Rose Menace.
Yes. Oh, as a villain? Oh, yeah. I guess as a villain, but like, bruh, he's all the way up here. Fuck it. He's all the way up here. You don't even look at him like a villain. You look at him like he's doing justice. That's how much of a fanboy you are, Red. You would probably look at him kill Chi-Chi and Goten and be like, finally, them stupid ass useless characters are gone, bro.
W though, W, get them off the screen. No, wait.
Dang, that's messed up, bruh.
Every time I see Goten and Chi-Chi, I'm like, oh, here we go, filler.
That's so flawed.
It's hacks though. When have they ever? Chi-Chi used to be clean. Goten's always been clean.
Facts. Yeah, this would be a
solid move.
Switch around a little bit. It's mostly the same. Brought these, made B tier a little fatter. B tier is all of them. Damn, all of them are garbage. Stop, stop, You're rooting for that?
Yeah, I would.
Homie would be in his own broken tier. That's how trash he is. That's how trash homie is, bruh. Lame, dude. This is definitely my tier.